Everybody, welcome. This is Dr. Sparrow 24
Where are
with
you,
Ultimate
Sparrow?
Rager.
Alright. Please, okay, if you're gonna kill me, I don't care, but I'm gonna invite somebody.
Okay.
You're fucking dickhead, you know that? You're a faggot. You're a faggot.
You just said to kill you. The fuck you
Well, I figured you guys wouldn't because you had enough class. I mean, you're gonna be a pretty much dick shit to fucking do that this morning. Hey, Bramble, you wanna do some Black Ops?
Yeah, man, your friend Edward's getting quite aggravated here.
Yeah, Bramble, I feel like shoving this gun on my asshole and pulling the trigger. God, it's basically like, son of a fucking bitch. I'm about to rip this game. I'm about to find the person who made this game and fucking shoot him with a pistol.
I think the
And rape
dude
his
this
wife.
game died.
Can you, oh my god.
Fuck you, Sparrow. Yo, what's up?
Fuck you. Find out fuck you, Sparrow. Sparrow, oh my
Hey,
god.
Hey, I like your language.
Bramble, can you join and like give me some fucking cover here?
I'll see what I can do.
The funny thing is, we're only using, me and my friend here are only using pistols, and he's using a sniper. And any other weapons he can.
Dude!
I want to come up there and rip you guys.
Can you guys like please like take it easy on me?
We are.
Come on, guys, take
No,
it
you're
easy on
not.
him until I
We're
get
using
there.
pistols.
I don't. You're still killing. Look, the score's like 6-13.
What do you mean? The pistols are highly underestimated. They're actually really good.
Yeah, I know shit, Bramble, because I'm getting shot in the back 18,000 times by him. She's like I'm gonna find a person who made pistols and fucking shove a ginormous dildo in his asshole. Jesus fucking Christ. Bramble, can you please do this game before I commit mass fucking murder on like everybody within like a 10-mile radius? And like,
That's reassuring.
Good job,
get
Flannery.
cancer. Please get fucking ass cancer.
What the hell is that?
Sparrow, Flannery, it's no offense, but you're fine. I'm just having a major crisis with Sparrow, to the point where I hope he shoves a gun up his dick hole and, like, fucking pulls the trigger. Yeah, fuck you, Sparrow.
You're making Sparrow's day by, like, getting mad at him.
Oh, this is fucking hilarious. I love
Hey,
Rangers.
I'm using the EDF enforcer.
Bramble, you're on my team. I know it's free for all, but Bramble, you're on my team. If you kill me, Bramble, then I'm gonna come to school and I'm gonna stick my dick in you in every way.
Okay.
It's whoever. It's free for all. There's no team.
Dude, but dude, you guys are fucking killing me.
You
and I'm
just
trying
got
to
a
get
double
killed.
kill right there, Flannery.
I know.
How's it make you feel?
Pretty well, man.
This game bites. This game eats fat.
Oh, you would crouch.
Fuck you, Bramble.
You killed me. Alright, I'm killing you.
Wait, he just said it was free for all.
It is free for all.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I killed you. You should have told me that you were on teams in the first place.
Okay, how about this? Next round, we do me and Flannery against you and Bramble, a 2v2.
No, I want somebody on my team that I can fucking use, because I can't use Bramble with you two. Using Bramble would be like a fucking dildo.
Says the one that wanted him to join.
Yeah, because I'm bored. I don't know you do that well, because I hate you two. So I figured I'd have somebody I know. Who did I kill with that grenade, by the way?
Hey, Flannery.
Hi, Sparrow.
Yeah,
I got killed, though.
I know.
Damn it, Sparrow.
Who the fuck was that? Who the fuck was that? Who the fuck was that? Go away, go away, go away. I'm a cop. Go away, I'm a cop. You just killed a cop. You're dead.
I teabagged you.
Yeah. Oh my god. Can you just kill me?
You just teabagged me, Flannery.
I'm
Actually,
gonna teabag your mom.
you teabagged my leg.
Bramble, no offense, Bramble, but I want you on one of them on your side, and I want one of them on my side. If it doesn't work out that way, then you can just have a 3 on.
Ooh, nice.
Ooh. Really?
And we're back.
Yo, can we kick Raheem? Because he's gonna fucking just obliterate everybody. And I'm already having enough time with YouTube cunts anyway. Oh, man. Tell them that you got somebody that knows that it doesn't matter if they don't fight fair.
Hey, Flannery.
Hey. He's left already. Damn it. Why'd they leave? Pharaoh,
What?
why'd they leave?
I was in the middle of fucking doing something.
What was that doing? I mean, what was that solving?
Why isn't he using a fully automatic? I thought it was just pistol.
No. Wait. Did you just die? Ooh, someone's using a shotgun. That won't be long.
Yeah, no shit.
That's just a pistol with an extended extended barrel.
Oh, fuck. Yo, can we not do Raheem and with the event?
Ooh! Ooh, what the fuck? What the...
Oh, dude, I'm on your team. I'm on your side. Fuck
Fuck
you.
you.
Fuck you.
Free
Fuck
for
you.
all, dude.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
I'm tied. It's free for all.
Your dick is tied.
Pharaoh.
No, no, dude, I'm reloading.
Excuse me.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
I wish I wasn't.
I got like looked from like 8 different angles.
Yeah, well...
Damn it, Nathan, you walked in my way, you fucking dude.
Ooh.
Fucking Sparrow.
I just cornered you.
Oh, can you not do that? Can you just play the game? Like, can you not, like, fucking do, like, special shit on me? Because I don't know how to play this game now. I eat ass at games.
Okay, wait, so you eat ass while playing games, or when you're playing games you eat ass?
Fucking kidding? Are you fucking kidding me, Flannery? What did I just not fucking say, like, 10 seconds fucking ago?
Oh my god, man.
Oh, shit!
Here, I will use an assault rifle for you. Oh my. Like,
Did I kill you? Who did I kill?
You killed me.
Okay, can we please kick Raheem? Because I don't want this faggot in the game. Like, I mean, I'm already having enough time with you, cunt. Please kick. Please.
After the game.
Planner, you fucking faggot.
Bro, you told me not to use the fucking thing, so I'm not using it.
No, I mean, like, you basically just jumped. Like, you knew I had no chance whatsoever fucking ever.
Hey, Flanner.
Fuck. I don't think I just want to play with any of these people in general.
Man, you just
Right.
got anger, bro.
Are you kidding me?
Pharaoh, are you recording this?
Yeah.
Are you recording? Son of a bitch. Why are you so good at this? God, oh my God. Flannery, really?
Nice job.
Good, Flannery. Get fucking murdered.
Alright, hold on, dude. After this.
Ooh.
Yo, we're gonna do another one. Okay, can we please kick Raheem? Please kick Raheem. I don't like him.
We can't till it's over, dude.
I know, but
He just
I
left.
hate him. Good. I hope he gets fucking hit by a bus after he left.
Sounds kinky.
Fucked up.
No.
Oh, no, you ain't shooting 3 at me. Ah, fuck.
It's down.
Oh my God. Fucking Christ.
Oh, do you think I'm good with the pistol or anything?
I wish there was a suicide option in this fucking game.
So wait a second. If now we're all using weapons, does that mean I can use my weapon?
If you want, dude. He decides not to use a pistol, so.
I am using a pistol.
Oh, so I can use my pistol?
No!
Oh.
I was about to kill Flannery so he could get his weapon. Okay, that works.
I just killed Flannery, so there you go.
I got so confused. You said no.
Really? 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 Oh my god. Can you?
Are you trying to lift weights?
You're posting this to YouTube, right?
Fuck you.
Oh yeah.
I gotta watch it.
Ooh.
Wait,
I wish there was a fucking suicide option in this fucking game.
There is.
it's called GTA.
No, I don't. I wish there was a complete suicide button that fucking worked. Are you kidding me? My god. I'm gonna quit. I swear to God, I'm gonna fucking quit again. Why? Dude! I'm never playing with you again.
You say that, but you keep joining us.
Yeah.
Because I got nobody else to fucking play with.
That makes no sense. You're just contradicting yourself. I don't even know if I'm using it in the right.
What the fuck? Bramble said he had to get off. Liar.
It's been a while since I've actually played with Bramble.
You didn't even get to play with him, really. You get to play with him for like 3 seconds.
No, I'm talking about way back when we were all high and mighty chatty. Did you leave?
Yeah, he left. I just thought about the same. I was like, why is this one person seeing it? You.
Because I just got a fucking invite.
Oh shit, that wasn't supposed to go to you, that was supposed to go to fucking Bramble. But the faggot isn't joining.
Oh, you joined? Yep, you
Nobody
connected.
nobody
Welcome
ever
back.
joins when I send him an invite.
After this, I gotta go eat, man.
I hope you choke on the fork.
You know, that's so rude.
I'm not gonna play. I'm not gonna play.
You say that now, and then you kill one of us, and we kill you.
Yeah, if I see you moving, you're dead. Because it's not.
I swear to God, if you kill me when I'm not moving, I swear to fucking God.
If you're not moving, I'm not going to. But like, first person I see moving.
What if I'm holding a gun? Like I can't have no choice but to hold a gun.
That don't matter. I'm not gonna kill you. Then, like, if you're moving, you're dead. Because I'm thinking it's fair. That's all that matters.
Oh, he shot at me.
Oh shit! Wait.
And I was still injured from when I got shot.
I'm in the middle of the battlefield. Are you gonna kill me?
Well, are you going to shoot at us?
No, I'm not. Dude!
You're moving.
Dude!
You were moving.
Just please, I want to move. I'm not gonna shoot.
Wait, dude, what the fuck? I didn't shoot at you. Alright, no, you're dead now, man. What the fuck is this? You gonna play? That we kill him? Dude, I can't yet. Give me some.
How many points? Alright. Can we be done now?
What does that mean?
Ow, dude, what the fuck? You get off of me. You fucking alcoholic.
Ooh, Flannery. Nice reflex.
Hello. I got an alcoholic, like, trying to push me off right now. Oh, get off of me, dude.
He's laughing his ass off.
You can hear him?
Yeah. What the fuck?
Don't.
Fuck you, you fell.
Guys, if I kill you, are you gonna kill me? Because I'm just gonna sit in the corner and see if Bramble wants to join.
Okay, but if you shoot at us, we kill you.
Bramble, what a fucking asshole.
Sort of like that, but...
Bramble, what a shit stick he is. I hate him.
Oh, whoa. Flannery, welcome.
What are you doing?
What if I'm proning and I'm moving from like side to side? Is that still counting as moving? Huh? Can I just walk around? Like I don't care what happens. Like, I mean, I don't want you to kill me, but I want to walk around and like.
There's no promise we might mistake you.
Can you just wait? No. I'm not gonna kill you. I'm not gonna kill you. No!
I didn't
Dude, stop!
I wasn't even shooting specifically at you.
Self-defense. Self-defense. Dude, that was self-defense. He fucking shot at me for no reason.
I shot one bullet at you.
You shot at me too. I swear you shot at me.
I didn't shoot at you. I
You did?
Fucking sparrow.
You didn't?
No.
Okay.
Damn.
Damn.
He's like, I feel like he's trying to cheat right now.
Oh, okay.
You shot at me.
I didn't even shoot at you.
You did?
No.
Dude.
No. You just started shooting. What the fuck?
Alright, I'll feel happy and get one more kill on him.
Oh, hey, Flannery. I kind of figured someone was near me.
But yeah, I mean,
Alright, I'm happy now. Especially since it was Sparrow. I mean, if it wasn't Sparrow, it would be sad. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you kidding me, Flannery? Are you fucking kidding me? God!
who is he talking to? Who the fuck are you talking to, bro? I ain't your day one nigga. What the fuck? Bro, who the fuck are you talking
God, every fucking person's in a fucking party.
Yeah, we're in a party.
Shut up. I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about my real friend.
Ah, okay. So I'm not real?
No.
The feels, man, the feels.
Who the hell is that? Nathan, who is that?
Oh wow, Sparrow Hurdle got off. He probably fucking shoved a donut up his ass.
Back in the day, you mean like 6 months ago? Back in the day.
Are you guys done yet?
One more kill. Alright.
Then can we make it like unlimited shit and I'm gonna go on CoD2.
Oh, Sparrow.
Nope.
Oh, Sparrow.
Nope.
Sparrow. Where are you? Come out to play.
Nope.
Dude, I could have killed you, like, so much. I could have killed you so much. Oh, Sparrow. Come out to play.
Ah, nice.